Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about bailable offense and non-bailable offense and why they are important with easy explanation and with sections, and also why bailable and non-bailable offenses are important, and we will speak about the sections provisions related to CRPC and who can grant bail in bailable offense and also non-bailable offense, and what are their major differences in bailable and non-bailable offense and their sections and provisions related to CRPC of 1973, and also more about the both, and what is court's discretion in non-bailable offense to grant bail in exception cases also. So we are going to discuss more detail. Why we are going to study this topic? Because this topic is very important and it is frequently asked in many law exams, and also important for the students who are doing internship in courts and in other works, and it also helps to understand the arrest procedures and also in the CRPC studies. So we will discuss now. What is bailable offense? A bailable offense is one where a accused has right to get a bail. In this, bailable is a right, not a favor. In this, police can grant a bail at police station. For example, if offense is not too serious, it is less serious. For example, public nuisance, simple hurt, or unlawful assembly, and it deals with the section 436 of CRPC 1973. Now, what is non-bailable offense? A non-bailable offense is one where bail is not a right. The court decides whether bail should be granted or not. Giving bail is not mandatory, it depends on the court's discretion. And it is not a right or not a favor like bailable offense. And here, offenses are too serious or grave. For example, murder, rape, kidnapping, dowry death. And it deals with the section 437 and 439 of CRPC 1973. What are major differences in bailable and non-bailable offense? In bailable offense, bail is a right, not a favor. And in non-bailable offense, it is not a right, it is court's discretion to grant a bail. And who grants bail in bailable offense? Police, in police stations. And in non-bailable offense, courts, it's court's discretion. Courts can grant bail for non-bailable offense. Nature of bailable offense is less serious and nature of non-bailable offense is more serious, like kidnapping, murder, and dowry death, for example. And bailable offense deals with the section 436 and non-bailable offense deals with the section 437 and 439 of CRPC. So these are major differences in both. When can court grant bail in non-bailable offenses? So here, if accused is not a repeated offender, then court can grant bail in non-bailable offense also. And also there is no chance of absconding. Like if a person is cooperating and is stable, and for example stable roots like he has a nice family, he has a job and he has a home, and court may trust him with bail. And also offense which is not punishable with death or life imprisonment with few exceptions which are given in CRPC of 1973. So these are a bailable offense is right and non-bailable offense is a discretion by court. We can understand by this. So bail can be granted in few exception cases, and so this was bailable and non-bailable offense. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.